Welcome to Help Screen. So if you have a missing microphone on your Android phone, first thing is of course go open up your keyboard or go to any messaging platform. Now here, as you can see on my keyboard, down below we should be able to have here the gear icon. So tap on it, and now here on the gear icon, it will redirect you to the settings, and you should be able to see here voice typing. So tap on it, and from here, you should be able to just simply turn this on, and you will have an option as well as faster voice typing. So now let's go back to our keyboard. And as you can see on the right side, we should have the microphone icon, and it is now here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And sometimes, guys, the settings icon will be these four circles over here to go through the settings, and you should be able to see the gear icon as well over here. And thanks for watching. See ya.